Now the rear ABS speed sensor is in the top of the rear differential. When you use a flathead screwdriver, I'm going to open up this red release lock tab. Just get behind it and pop that away. And pull that out like so. And we'll go ahead and press down on this little tab right here, wiggle it, and pop the harness off. Now we'll go ahead and use a 10mm socket and a ratchet to go ahead and remove this bolt. Once that bolt is out, go ahead and grab the sensor. You should be able to wiggle it, twist it a little bit, and pop it out of the diff. Go ahead and take the sensor, lower that down inside, and use the bolt. Go ahead and locate the hole in the diff. Once you get that bolt started, you can try and push that sensor in a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and tighten down the bolt. I'm going to go ahead and snug that. I'm going to go ahead and take the connector, line that back up, press it on, you should hear it click. And then go ahead and press your lock tab on, and that'll hold it into place.